When brands think of Vietnam to produce fashion for better workmanship and tax benefits, they often recall past issues like a lack of flexibility, long production, and the need for large order quantities. However, 2024 tells a different story. Inflow, Vietnam's first on-demand manufacturing platform, has transformed the traditional supply chain by tackling outdated data, slow production, and excessive inventory. Our on-demand model features short lead times, flexible quantities, strict quality control, and trend forecasting powered by predictive data, offering affordable fashion that allows brands to quickly adapt to trends and stay ahead in a fast-paced industry. Inflow's digital supply chain connects with over 150 vetted suppliers, ensuring brand standards and timelines. We quickly identify capable suppliers, then start bulk production after sample approval. Our technology platform also helps partners efficiently monitor the production process and predict trends, helping brands understand market needs and decide on manufacturing and quantities. In 2024, Vietnam fashion industry is different from the previous thoughts, emerging as a major player for global fashion brands. Inflow is leading this transformation with a combination of tech-driven data and digitalized on-demand manufacturing model. Collaborate with Inflow to leverage trend forecasting feature on your on-demand manufacturing challenges. Click the link below to schedule a demo with us.